Hey, how's it going? And today we just wanted to give a quick update regarding Game Engine Academy. The first thing is there's a digital version that's available, and now there's also a print version available. The digital version is only $2.95 and the print version is $5.95. This is real handy, the digital version, just because it's a PDF file with the hyperlinks in it. But also if you come here on Get the Guide, you can also get the links here. They're all available right here. And this is to the Foundations course, and this is the study guide right here. Now what we're real excited about now, we've really been working really incredibly hard to come up with a basic game that can teach the fundamentals of Blueprint visual scripting. And so I was just going to give you a sneak peek at what we're working on. And of course, our thinking is this. Before someone was going to say, like, let's say make a movie, someone might say they want to be a filmmaker and they want to make a movie, and that's fantastic. But you know, we are thinking of it as, well, before you go and try to make Avatar number 3, maybe you should just try making like a 30-second commercial and see how that goes. And so that's kind of our philosophy, is start small, learn the basics, and then expand from there. So with that said, we have developed kind of a very simple game. I'll give you a sneak peek at it. It's called Rock, Paper, Scissors, of course. And what's fun about this game is that it's in the open world. So you're free to explore. This could just be one aspect. This one game could just be one aspect of a much larger world. Now you can't hear it, but I have the default music playing right now. So we have a basic menu system, and if I click on the audio page, I can turn the audio off, of course, and then we have a slider that controls the music. If we want to go back to the home page, we just click there. Another cool feature on here is these cubes also track with us. So as we move, the cubes move with us as well. So that's kind of fun. And then there's a little bit of psychology with this game, how we have it set up. So let me just spin around here and come on in and play a little bit. So I'll just click. It's an on-click game, so we'll click, let's say, paper. The computer chose rock, you chose paper, you win. So you'll notice my score goes up. And if I hit rock, the computer chose scissor, you chose rock, you win. I win again, hooray for me. And scissors, I'll choose scissors. Uh-oh, the computer chose rock, you chose scissors. I lost, so you can see the computer. I'm still winning. But let's say I want someone else to play, or I want to start over. I can hit reset and the score resets. And then we also have a help page here, which this can be expanded out, and a link to a web page if you want. And then when you're ready to quit the game, you simply press quit. But I think what's cool about this game is the fact that it is in an open world. And there's some issues with trying to create a game in an open world like this. And like I said, this kind of expansive background makes room for all other kinds of things to be going on in here, not just this one little game. There's other games. But you know, we're going to start simple and build from here. So the only question that we're struggling with right now is whether we should do the course using the Udemy format or if we should use Teachable.com. But whatever we do, the course is going to be very inexpensive. And when I say that, I mean under $10, $15, something like that. But no more than that. But it will be a great way for someone to learn the basics of Unreal Engine. So anyway, I just want to give you this update, and stay tuned. We should have the course fully out by January, February at the latest. So anyway, it's a surprising amount of work to break a game down and go step by step through the whole process, but we think it's worth it, and we think it'll be very helpful to people that are trying to learn Unreal Engine. I hope you found this helpful. Take care, and we'll talk later.